What can you really eat, cook, and save in Vietnam on a small budget? Hi, I'm Nhan, 39 years old, living alone and currently unemployed. Today, I'll take you through my entire day, from cleaning my tiny room to budgeting every dollar and cooking a simple homemade meal. Let's go. Every day begins with the little things: brushing my teeth, washing my face, and getting ready for another simple day. Today is cleaning day. A clean home doesn't cost anything, but it gives me peace of mind. Instead of using a washing machine, I wash my clothes by hand. It takes more time, but it also helps me save on electricity and water. When every dollar matters, small savings add up. Watching clean clothes dry in the morning sun always feels satisfying. Simple moments like this remind me that happiness doesn't have to be expensive. After finishing the chores, a quick shower feels like a fresh start. Before going out, I drink a glass of milk. It's a simple breakfast, but enough to begin the day. I spend a few minutes reading. Even if money is limited, I never want to stop learning. Next, I head to the ATM. Managing money carefully has become one of the most important skills I've learned this year. I stop by a convenience store to buy only what I need. No snacks, no unnecessary spending, just enough ingredients for today's meal: spinach. This bundle of water spinach costs only 10,000 VND, about 38 cents. Fresh vegetables in Vietnam are still very affordable. A kilogram of cucumbers costs around 15,000 VND, or about 57 cents. Simple ingredients can still make a healthy meal back home. It's time to cook. Nothing fancy, just homemade food. I steam the eggs together with the rice. A simple meal doesn't need expensive ingredients. Sometimes the simplest flavors are the most comforting. Before the day gets busy, I count my remaining cash. I separated into different budgets: money for today, emergency savings, and money for the rest of the month. This habit helps me avoid spending more than I can afford. I only carry a small amount in my wallet. If I don't have extra cash with me, I'm less likely to buy things I don't need. The rest stays safely at home. Saving money isn't always easy, but it gives me a little more peace of mind. Lunch is finally ready: rice, steamed eggs, fresh vegetables, and cucumber. Simple food, but enough to keep me going. These eggs are so fresh that they're difficult to peel. Sometimes even the smallest things make me smile cooking. At home, not only saves money, but it also reminds me to appreciate what I already have. Eggs. As I finish my meal, heavy rain begins to fall outside. I sit quietly, listening to the rain. Today wasn't exciting. I didn't earn any money, but I cleaned my home, managed my budget, cooked my own meal, and took care of myself. Sometimes that's enough. Tomorrow is another chance to keep moving forward.